In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messenger app, tap at that icon and select Create a New Group. You will be taken to this page where you can find your Facebook contacts, and you can easily create a group and add there any contacts from that list just by checkmarking them. Also, you can name that group, and after that just tap at Create. After a couple of seconds, the group chat has been created and we can start messaging. That's how you can easily create group chat on Messenger.